Fat figured the stream end button might be. So what we actually want is error dot change text to be the debug sequence dot diagnostic. That's like our main error message. And then down here we will update text. Yeah, I think that'll work. Although we do need to set the text to be something if we want it to show up. Engines offline. Does that still work? Can I get a new line that way? I think if I'm using TextMex Pro, is it the other one? Oh, it changed color. That's a good sign. Perfect. That's what I'm looking for. Alright, so ding, error message pops up. Engines offline. I'm actually going to maximize that real quick. So ding, error message pops up, engines offline. Turn on switch 2, turn on switch 3, and engage the engines. Bam! You pull it into gear and the engines engage. Perfect. And then, yeah, here wants to turn on switch 1, turn on switch 2, turn off switch 4, engage the engines. That looks like it just works, actually. I love that. That's awesome. So basically, now I can create those sequences on any of my interactables, and literally all of these are interactables. So I can just use my little sheet here to start setting up those values, and we will have a game by the end of the day. Let's fucking go! Hell yeah! We're ahead of schedule by a great margin. I'm happy about that. Because basically now all we need to be able to do is like spawn in these at random, and that's more or less everything we gotta do. I can just focus on doing a polish after that. That's gonna be hell awesome. Kind of jelly, not gonna lie. Honestly, it feels pretty good. I budgeted way more time to get here because I really thought I was gonna bump into more problems, but honestly, it's been pretty smooth sailing the whole way through. Yeah, I just need to get like an area. Actually, probably like a few areas. I imagine I'll pop up like error messages in a few spaces, or maybe I'll use this one as like the main pop-up zone for like most of the stuff, and then like around the edges here I'll have for specific stuff like your speed becoming too low and the Nova getting too close, and then also maybe your hull integrity becoming a little bit broken. Ooh, flex redemption, huh? Alright, let's get some guns. Coding guns! That's right, this programmer ain't all skin and bones. He's got some pipes, baby! Let's flex it out! Let's go! All right. Yeah. Hell yeah. We're sailing. I don't even know what I want to work on next because I didn't think we'd be here already. Perfect. Awesome. Okay. Yeah, what do I work on next? Do I just get the error messages popping up? Maybe I do. Maybe I do. Well, you know what? I kind of feel like working on something that doesn't require a whole lot of brain power. And one thing that I did want to add if I have time, and I've got time, is I wanted to get shield because we've got like the hull integrity and shit like that, but I wanted to I want to add in more categories of things to manipulate, and I don't think that adding that is gonna add too much to the scope, but we'll see. Could improve the looks of the game, absolutely could improve the looks of the game. I usually save most of that stuff for like the final day of the jam. It's just my personal workflow that I prefer to kind of get the base game running with like just enough art assets to get the point across, and then we go hard into it. Because once I get the game up and running, then I'll kind of know how much time I have left for the rest of the assets, and then I can kind of budget the quality that I want the assets to have based on like how many I need and how much time is left. So, we absolutely do need to work on the art assets of the game, but that's something I've got planned for later. That's a tomorrow me kind of problem, but absolutely we'll be doing that at some point. Some point. Uh, let's do float shield. Yeah. Integrity. Integrity. Uh, you know what? Maybe we'll actually have the shield be not double. Honestly, a bit worried to con more than I could chew. Yeah, I mean, it really is easy to overscope in game jams. It is so easy to accidentally give yourself too much to do because it really is hard to do that much in the course of a jam anyway. Uh, Prioritize what assets you need the most, get those done first, and if you have to crunch at the end, save the stuff that could be shittier for the crunch. That's about the best advice I could give. Because, like, when it comes to a game jam, some part of it's going to be shitty. Like, by necessity. You're not going to make, like, a polished game everywhere. Like, you're going to have to sacrifice on something about the game. And if that's an asset here or two that's not going to get as much screen time, so be it, right? Um, Recharge rates? Sure. Oh. Can I even render a mesh as like a wireframe? Oh, you know what? I think I have an idea. Okay, so delete cube. First step of any good Blender project. And then I basically want to use this as my shield, but I think, can I do, no, I just hit Control Invert. Is it just I? Yeah, inset. Can I get I? I can't get, what about if I do Alt I? Can I get like, can I get inset along like the normal of each face? Individual. There we go. That's the one I'm looking for. There we go. That's looking better. Cause then I can grab that. Delete cube, camera, and light. Hell yeah, Blender, baby. And then, real quick, I gotta make sure to flip the normals on these. Wait, can I even do that? Are there faces in there? Presumably, right? Yeah, because if I'm flipping the normals, then there's no faces out there anymore. Looking nice so far? Thanks, man. I really appreciate that. I put myself hard in these game jams, so I'm glad it's looking good so far to you. Okay. That is one for the band. Okay, so now if I export this over to here as shield, that didn't flip. There we go. Now, if were to grab one of these on its face and gimbal it in normal mode, that's what I thought. Okay, now that's pointing in. That's looking a little bit better. I think I made a blue light, didn't I? I should organize this at some point. Maybe I'll do that tonight for the final push. I mean, I should do it now, but I'm not going to. But I should, but I'm not. I think I did make it at one point, and then I didn't use it, so I deleted it. But now I actually do want it, so I'm gonna make it again. Oh right. I just gotta F2 was one of my stream hotkeys, but I was trying to use it to rename this asset, so that didn't really work out for me for a quick sec there. Can I render this in transparent? Can you see anything through that? There's a good question. You can. Okay, cool. Oh, that also serves as the alpha, does it? Interesting. Lemma, as soon as you add transparency, your computer froze. You can't handle the truth. Now, can I make this even more transparent somehow? Because that's blowing out the scene a little bit more than I kind of was hoping it would. Okay, what if I just... Okay, well, that's not what I meant to do. That transparency is not working as well on the background as I would like. So maybe... Oh, right. I fucked with it. That's why it doesn't look right. Damn it, can't actually go back that far. Well, you know what? I think that's okay. I guess if I want this to be smaller, actually, I can just do this. Oh, right, of course, that wouldn't actually work that way. Yeah, that makes sense. Oh, wait. I moved it to... There we go. Okay, I think I might... Well, actually, wait. No, I've only been streaming for... Oh, no, that's right. My stream accidentally crashed a while ago. That's why I've only been streaming for 20 minutes. I feel like I'm gonna go for just a little... maybe... Actually, you know what? If I make this... If I make that non-transparent, that might even look better. It does. Oh, this should be probably unlit. No, you know what? I like the texture. Let's do a few more things while I'm live. And I suppose while I'm here, let me shout out my Discord real quick. If you do a exclamation point Discord in the chat, you'll get a link that'll send you over to our Discord where I'm posting updates about this game even when I'm not live and streaming about it. We got a whole text channel called Ludum Dare 50 all set up for that. So if you're interested in seeing what I do when I go offline, that's the best place to find out. Alright, update. Serialized field update. Transform dot rotate. And that's going to be random dot value minus 0.5 f and then times 2. And that'll just mean, because random, I guess you have value between 0 and 1. So this just makes it between negative 0.5 and positive 0.5, and then negative 1 and 1. So you just get like a nice little range in there, which is, you know, just a handy little thing. Oh, and then obviously time speed. I think that should work. Yeah, that's kind of what I want. Hell yeah, dude. No, that won't quite work out the way that I want it to. I kind of want it to, like, wobble slightly, but I don't think I'm going to be able to get that effect. Unless I... Can I do it like this? I hope I double clicked. I suppose, real quick. Oh, of course. Wait, plus? I'm putting too much effort into this. You know what? If this takes me more than the next 5 minutes, I'll bail. Didn't I use... Oh, I used that in the error display. Math F sin time. Alright, I got it working, so now we'll make it work. I think this will be a cool effect that'll give it some flavor. Oh, whoops. Dude, I might need to straight up take a break from development for a few minutes after I drop off stream. Why are these values so low? Didn't I just set this? Yeah, alright. I don't think that'll do much. Okay. Yeah, I might just need to take like a break and wake up slightly. Honestly, I'm not sure if I'm that in love with it. Maybe if I change another one around like that too, actually. Because if I do 2 axes... Yeah, I don't know. Well, we gave it a couple minutes, and we tried something to see if it would be cool, but honestly, I don't think it's going to be. So, that's just how the cookie crumbles. Sometimes you try shit, and it just doesn't quite work out the way you hoped. That's okay. Okay, yeah, I'm starting to fade. I think the best way that I can move forward with a lot of speed is to take a break for, 30 minutes, maybe an hour if I really need one. Cause yeah, I've been going for hours, dude. And I mean, with with how we have this box here set up to like tell me to like turn on switch 2, switch 3, activate the engines, and have shit happen. That's basically the game. So honestly, I think we can take a good long break and feel well deserved about it. So I saw Bagged use the Discord, the Discord command to go to our channel. So maybe I'll see you there. Maybe I'll throw some updates that'll be interesting. If anyone in chat wants them, that's where they'll be. But for tonight, probably, I think that'll be all. We'll be posting in the Discord when we'll be going live next to show off some last little bit of development before we have to submit, and then we'll be back when we submit to play some games. So it should be a good time, and I hope I'll see some of you there. Well, until then, I hope you all have a nice night. Take care, and Bagged Head, good luck on getting everything in on time. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good one. Bye.